Parking availability has been one of the daily burdens of people who have cars these days. The demand for these spaces has been in great demand due to the volume rise of vehicles over the last years. Car owners or drivers tend to spend much of time in looking for a free parking lot instead of that time being spent for their personal errands or things to do so. Worst case scenario is that they spend much of the time roaming all around the allotted parking spaces and yet they found no parking spaces or the parking slot is just that full. It would have been at least an ease to the situation of lack of parking spaces these days if there's a signaling device or a device that indicates if the parking spaces is full or there's still available space for parking. That is somewhat a place wherein the drivers could see it properly and immediately before they enter a parking spaces or a lot. This is for them to save at least a time in looking for an available parking space and for them to save at least save gas also in roaming around while looking for a parking lot to park their vehicles. And so with that case, we've come up with a device that somehow eases this situation. A device called parking lot slot indicator using RGB.
So yun po, ito po yung project po ng ELS light indicator. Ito po yung kaya kami nagka-up dito kasi balak po namin i-introduce sa mga car tapos sa mga establishment para ma-implement itong car indicator na to. Kasi parang hindi sila mahirapan yung mga ating mga driver.
Tulad ng sinabi ni JS, itong parking lot indicator ay ialok namin sa mga establishment para malaman nila if there's a free parking space pa na natitira sa kanilang parking lot.
So, ang contribution ng project na ito is para aware yung driver na may nakapark sa parking area. Sa dito natin malalaman sa 1, 2, and 3 kung nakailaw ba sila. And nakakatulong din ito para organize yung parking area.
Then, malaking tulong din to sa mga guard dito na nagbabantay. Kapag may paparating na kotse, may magpapark, ang gagawin ng driver, imbes na pumunta siya doon, titingnan kung may nakapark doon sa mga bawat slot, ang gagawin na lang ni driver, hindi siya magpakahirap na titingnan doon, dito na lang siya titingin. Malalaman niya dito kung may nakapark o wala. Dahil dito makita natin na nakailaw lahat. So, full yung parking area. Hindi na pupunta yung guard doon.
So this is our final project which is entitled Parking Space Light Indicator. So this is the materials needed, which is illustration board, plywood, colored papers, glue, double-sided tape, stick glue, lighter, sensor, and artificial tree, and lastly is the signboard.
So this is the parking space and light indicator na kung saan pinapakita dito kung may nakapark sa isang parking area or wala. For example, this is the parking slot number 1, which is the light indicator is on. Pinapakita dyan na sa parking slot is may nakapark. Then, same lang din sa parking slot number 2 and number 3. The light indicator is on, which is the parking slot is occupied by the parking car.
So dito naman, papakita naman natin kung bakit umiilaw yan. May ilaw kasi merong nakaparada. Ngayon, papakita naman natin na malalaman ng isang tao or driver na kung walang nakaparada dyan is mamatay yung ilaw. And then ayun, alam nila na walang nakaparada dahil patay yung ilaw. Then, ito din yung second. And then, the third is dito, malalaman natin na yung parking slot is available siya para maparadahan pa ulit ng iba.
So, yung parking slot na indicator para makita nila na na mas madali na may nalalaman pag full na yung parking slot. Kahit saan yan, pwede yan mag-iba-iba ng pwesto yan. Makikita pa rin dyan na umiilaw yung isa at may nakapark. Yung dito, umiilaw din. Kahit yan. Tapos yung, yung gawa naming landscape. Parang pinaganda lang din namin ng merong street light, merong mga halaman para mapakita na na parang realistic yung gawa. And meron kami nilagay din na pandagdag na street light. Kaso medyo mahina yung ilaw niya. Ayan, medyo mahina yung ilaw pero pinaganda rin ng yun po yung parking slot.
So my question is, based on our project, what did you observe? Since all of you have more experience about it more than us.
Yung na-observe ko, observation pa lang, no? Dito, just pwede ba kasama yung buong yes project? So, meron kayo ditong two-way, and then meron ditong one-way na pwedeng, isang daan lang, pero pwedeng mag-go back and forth. And then, you have here indicator, ay similarity sa kulay ng traffic light. So, based on your explanation, itong sa traffic light, nag-indicate siya ng kung available slot sa ating parking. So, yun yung aking observation.
Napansin ko, kapag umano yung kotse, gumagana yung indicator dito natin nasa traffic light. So maganda yung tinatawag nating output.
What do you think of the impact of parking sensor indicator?
Malaki yung impact niya kasi nakakatulong siya pag-avoid ng risk or hazard. Kasi kapag wala sensor, kapag paparking yung kotse natin papunta dito, sisira yung yung IR sensor, ina-avoid niya yung possible risk kasi nagkakaroon siya ng indicator as dito.
Sa akin naman, tingin ko, napakaganda nito. It will make the process very efficient para mabilis yung process and then walang hassle for both parties na nandoon tsaka yung magpupunta pa lang.
Do you have any suggestions po or comments about this project?
Mas maganda siguro, we can put some sensor like ultrasonic. Kasi yung ultrasonic natin, kapag dumikit yung kotse natin dito, ina-avoid niya yung para hindi siya bumunggo. Pero overall, yung project niyo maganda. Ting improvement na lang siya. Kasi naman visualize yun naman lahat ng process ng pag ng kotse. Indicator natin maganda as a symbol para ma-risk yung maiwasan yung risk na possible.
Sa akin naman, meron akong mga suggestion. Una, using itong number 1 nating slot. Kasi kahit hindi gumagalaw si ating slot, is mag-open and close ito. Pwede natin yung ayusin. Another thing, gaya ng sabi natin kanina, no? This looks like a traffic light. Para mas madali siyang maintindihan nung gagamit, no? Pag sabihin na natin ito, hotel. Siyempre, ang maintindihan nila dito, traffic light talaga. So, kung ganun, pwede namang similar colors or shades. The other thing is mag-a-add ng sensor here. Siguro laser sensor, yung isang diretso, para makita natin na, kasi napansin ko na kapag quarter way through, wala agad yung ilaw. So, itong si person, pwede niyang maisip na, uy, wala na, so dediretso na ako. Kahit na ito, palabas pa lang. So, kung ganun, pwedeng mag-add tayo ng another indicator dito na merong palabas. Lastly, sa development nitong project, sa construction. Napansin ko itong dalawang bumps na to. No? Itong si dalawang bumps, tingin ko, ay nahirapan yung magpa-park. Kasi imagine how meron kang van, and then magpa-park ka ganyan, and then liliko ka pa, so mahihirapan ka talaga dito sa bumps. So I suggest, meron ka namang bumps dito, so for sure, force na sila mag-slow down dito pa rin, dito pa lang. Dalhin natin itong bumps, and then maglagay tayo dito ng signage na slow down.
So ayun, overall, ito yung aming parking slot indicator. Makikita nyo naman, gumagana siya. Lahat ng sensor gumagana. Nagawa namin to para mas makatipid ng time or malaman yung availability ng parking slot dun sa isang lugar. So, gumagana siya dahil sa ito yung Arduino board namin and breadboard. So, may wirings dito. So, tama yung pagkakakabit namin ng wirings. Then sa breadboard, ganun din. So, kaya gumana tong na to. Tapos, dahil din sa tulong ng program, which is si programming yung ginamit namin. So, hindi siya gagana kung mali yung program namin. Like, for example dito, hindi niya ma-detect kung may object ba or wala dito sa parking slot number 1 na to. So, gumagana naman pati dito sa parking slot number 2. So, dun pa lang, pinapakita ng Arduino project namin na tama yung wirings, then yung programming codes na ginamit namin para sa project na ito. So, yun, thank you sa panonood. At ito yung project namin, which is parking lot light indicator. Thank you.